Saudi of Sea Master pass to begin. Burgundy on the outside. Mr. Environment Supreme Leader. Adhika in comes next, and a long way back to Hurricane Ali, who trails the field. And going along for the first turn, we have Sea Master, the leader, by about 3 lengths. Burgundy in second, 3 lengths away in third. Supreme Leader, Mr. Environment in fourth. Adhika in and Hurricane Ali trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, with Sea Master still in front by about 4 lengths. Supreme Leader now moving up to take second, and in third comes Burgundy. Adhika in fourth, Mr. Environment and Hurricane Ali. And that's still Sea Master by only 2 lengths. Supreme Leader now moving up on the outside and coming closer. And in third now is Adhika in. Mr. Environment comes next, moving up on the outside now is Hurricane Ali. As they come down at the last 100, Sea Master and on the outside is Supreme Leader. Hurricane Ali now in third. Sea Master, Supreme Leader fighting it out for the lead. Supreme Leader, Sea Master, Hurricane Ali is on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's Supreme Leader. Second, Sea Master, Hurricane Ali. Then comes Mr. Environment.
2-1-3, Antemano, inagapaya na kagad ni John Alvin Gusen, si Sea Master, at dun sa may last 400, nagpalakas. Pero